You know that blue F-150 your dad sold in 2008 for $4,000 because it was too old? Today it's worth $18,000 and climbing. If that doesn't hurt your chest, you're not a truck owner's son. I spent the last 6 months tracking auctions, collector forums, and classic F-150 ads, and I discovered something that'll make you call your old man right now. There's one specific generation of F-150 that's appreciating faster than Bitcoin in 2017. And if you're tired of seeing new trucks cost as much as a house, subscribe to the channel because here we talk about the trucks that are really worth it. F-150 R1 OBS 9th Gen 1992-1996. The last simple one. The F-150 OBS, old body style. Last generation before Ford modernized everything. And you know why your dad should have kept it? Because it was the last F-150 you could fix with a hammer, pliers, and a $20 Haynes manual, 5.0 Windsor or 5.8 Windsor engine. Pushrod V8. That didn't even know what braking meant. My neighbor's got a 1995 XLT with 340,000 miles. Original. Never opened the engine. Just oil every 5,000 and it keeps working on his farm every day. The problem? Nobody kept them. Everyone sold cheap when the new ones arrived. Now, an OBS in good shape with under 150K miles is worth between $15,000 and $25,000. A pristine one? $35,000 easy. People are paying more for a 30-year-old truck than for a 20 to 15. F-150, number 2, Heritage Edition, 2004. The nostalgic one, last year of the 10th generation. Ford knew they were changing everything for the 2005 model, so they did something brilliant. Launched the Heritage Edition. Basically the same F-150 from 1997-2003, but with a special badge and last chance to buy the old platform. 4.6L Triton V8 engine. Not the most powerful, but it was indestructible. 4R70W transmission that took abuse. And best part, you could still work on it in your home garage. No 50 electronic sensors to fail. Your dad probably had one and sold it when the new generation came all modern with that redesigned interior. Mistake. The Heritage today is worth 30% more than a regular F-150 from the same year. One with low mileage and well-maintained, 12 to 18 grand, and only going up. F-150. 3. Lightning, Wansantekindi, Huichioniti in 1999 to 2004, the sports truck. Now, if your dad was one of those who liked speed, he should have kept the Lightning, the sports truck that embarrassed Corvettes at stoplights. 5.4L supercharged engine, 380 horsepower, 450 lb-ft of torque. And the best part? Surprising reliability for a forced induction motor. Met a guy in Nevada who's got a 2003 with 180,000 miles. Original supercharged engine. Never had a serious problem. Limited production. Less than 28,000 units in 6 years. Ford stopped making them in 2004 and never came back with anything like it. Result? Lightnings are exploding in value. One in average condition is running 25 to 35 grand. A pristine one, original, low mileage, 50,000 or more. I've seen rare examples go over 70K at auction. Know why nobody kept these F-150s? Because they were work trucks. Your dad used it every day. To go to work, pull trailers, haul construction material, take the family camping. Nobody imagined a regular truck would become a collector's item. But here's the thing. This is happening now with 2009 to 2015 F-150s, especially ones with the 5.0 Coyote and 6.2 Boss engines. Mechanics are already storing them. Collectors are already buying the best units. In 10 years, they'll be worth double. So if you still have that F-150 you inherited from your dad, Or if you're thinking about buying a classic one, think twice before selling cheap. These simple, reliable trucks without complicated electronics? They're the future of collecting. So, did your dad have any of these F-150s? Do you still have yours or regret selling it? Tell us in the comments which one it was and how much you paid or sold it for back then. I bet it'll hurt to see how much it's worth today. And if this video made you look at that old F-150 in the garage with different eyes, hit that like button. Next week I'm showing the 5 F-150s you should never buy, even if they're cheap. One of them literally melts from the inside. See you then.